Alright, YouTube, this is a little bonus quickie here. So, I recently bought a house, and in this house are 3 Sterling toilets. You can see the label there. I am guessing these are original to the house, since all 3 of them are identical, and they definitely don't look brand new. And this house was built in 1989. If anybody has any better ideas, feel free. These toilets are all being replaced because honestly, they're not particularly good. I actually have some Toto Drakes sitting outside boxes right now. So probably within a week, if you've seen this video, these will be gone. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you the guts. This is probably the nicest of all the toilets in the house. That's not saying much. There's the inside. I guess I'll move this out of the way so you can actually see this thing flush. Not the worst toilet in the world, but again, not particularly good. That's why we're replacing it. Let's go ahead and flush it. Yeah, the previous owner put that blue toilet water thing in here. I'm not going to do that. In fact, this warning label literally tells you not to. And I read the warning label. So that's it. Tell you what, I'll actually show you to one of my master bedroom too, since this might be the worst of them all. I mean, it makes sense. It might be the most used. It also has some slightly different internals in it, which I'll show you. There's the lid, by the way, with various date codes. And Sterling's been a part of Kohler for a while, so okay, I'm guessing this is probably from '89. But if anybody has better ideas, let me know. Definitely looks a little gross, a little moldy in there. And you can see why I'm replacing it. Just cleaned it up a little bit just because this thing isn't really the easiest to keep clean, and wanted to somewhat put my best foot forward if we're showing this on YouTube. So I'll show you this flush too, which really isn't too different from the others. In fact, I'll show you like that. This guy's prone to running. The chain likes getting caught on that flapper. I think it's behaving now. This is a lot slower to fill. And by the time you guys watch this, there's a solid chance that this thing isn't here anymore. I'll follow up once the Totos are put in though. Anyway, well, thank you for watching, and catch you guys soon.